What's up, YouTube? We're going to do an episode on which stocks to actually look for, especially with these dips. Some of these are actually profiting. You just got to look for the dips. That's all the market really is. Like they say, buy low, sell high. You can have a dip in a week, literally. And most people, every week. So you'll know what I'm saying. NVIDIA is perfect. NVIDIA was on this run. If you got in before the split, you know what I'm saying. Right now, since the split, it got to like 145, 140-ish. But it's projected right now to go to 190. And for the prices at right now, it's at 135. It was kind of going below it, but you can see it's just teetering. It's cool though. Those are the marks where it's teetering and going down. You, from a person that's in the market every day, you'll see Bitcoin, NVIDIA up 3% today. It'll be down 3% tomorrow. I'm using that every day. It's down 3%. Let's put more money in it. This is before, if it's at 135, this is before it gets to 190. So I'm really beating the block down, if you know what I mean. I'm just putting more and more in. So when it gets to 190, that's even more capital gains. And it's a dividend stock. Not that much of a dividend, but I take any bonuses the way I can get them. That's how you win in the market. Get as much as you can get out of it while you're on the run and it's trending. But if you want to actually make some money, NVIDIA would be a good one. And that's, at first because it's trending, I get why they keep telling y'all that. But no, you need to look for those days it's down until we get back up, until it gets back up. Get it. Next one is Tesla. Same way I told you with NVIDIA, Tesla's on a run though. It was actually down for a couple years. I got in when it split. So since it split, it hasn't made that much noise. I almost sold it. I was going to sell it for the S&P 500. And I'm like, they say long-term. This is a long-term investment. I'm going to hold Tesla for years. Like I said, it's not just a car company. It's not just a tech company. Like, they're working. So I get it. Cool. When it's down, those days, you might see Tesla up 5%, down 5%. Those days is down 5%. You need to be putting an extra $100, $200, $300 in it. If more, if you got it. I'm just speaking because some people don't have it, and I understand that now. Start putting more money in the days it's down. Your money's going to actually start doubling and tripling easier. I see why my overall percentage in my portfolio doubled because I focus on what's down right now. I understand some things is trending. You still got to put your money in. Like this next one I'm about to name, Broadcom. They try to say Broadcom is the poor man's NVIDIA right now. Me personally, for you to compare it to NVIDIA means it's some hope there. Like when they're saying, you'll see the news start saying little subliminals like that. And I'm like, I even seen people laughing at somebody that owned NVIDIA and some people that owned IBM. They was like, I don't own NVIDIA. I own IBM. IBM been performing. But you don't hear the news speak on that. They speak on what they want you to hear. So I'm like, some of the stocks I own, y'all don't speak of. Y'all only speak on these certain stocks. Like you'll hear them mention Taiwan Semiconductor. I'll add that in. But just between NVIDIA, Tesla, and Broadcom right now, if you were trying to make some money and know how to actually buy on these dips and can capitalize and got the money, you can make thousands of dollars. You can make a couple hundreds, but if you actually stay down, you can make this money way easier. That's the difference in actually knowing what you're doing in the market. Watching the market. I watch the market daily. I can't really speak for people who only put in $500 once a month. That's still dollar cost averaging, but I got to watch and know what's been up and down in my portfolio. How is it performing in my portfolio? Is it bringing in any dividends? And I'm a dividend investor, so I got to keep track of that. Nowadays, I'm looking at weekly. Let's actually energy transfer stock that I own. Let's increase the dividends weekly, not monthly, no more. Weekly. That's how you speed the process up and actually can track what you're doing in the market. That's the hardest part. If you can't track where you're at, Are you actually buying in the lows? Are you getting in early, not having FOMO? I even beat my own FOMO with it. I said before the news or anybody tells me about it, I already want to have been looking in the market, what I want to own. Like, I don't hear them speak on Home Depot. Even though Home Depot is a good stock, it's like, okay, they don't speak on certain, I'm like, they'll speak on it, but it's nothing major. They're not going to be every day coming on there like they would do NVIDIA, Tesla. But it's a way you actually can make money with those certain stocks. And the people been making money for a long time with these stocks, especially Tesla for sure. A lot of people got some big money off NVIDIA, but it's not over. Like when they say, is it the right time to get in? Anytime's the right time to get started. It's all on what is your actual plan to actually triple your money. Don't come in this trying to just turn $5 into, you might make $1. No. Look at it as, if I put $100 in the market, I'm going to multiply this money. I'm going to turn this $100 into 300. And don't tell me it's not possible, because I did it with Carvana. I bought Carvana shares in COVID time, so people know it's possible. COVID was at $300 a share, shot all the way down to $30 and $7. Like, what? You know how many people, my friends was like, bro, no, they're going bankrupt, shit like that. Me, I'm just like, I'm a car dealer. Hold on. For what I know, like they say, insider information, you either know or you don't, and they're tech. But that's neither here nor there. Dollar cost averaged my way up, and then they're back at $300 a share. What you think that means? Did I take profit? Yes. I got into NVIDIA before the split, so I got free shares. I bought Walmart shares, see, with the Carvana profit, and I still kept some Carvana shares. And I finally get it. Like I said, just hold on to those Carvana shares for long, 10 years, 15 years. When you're hearing people saying they're holding it for that long, 20 years, for a lifetime, that means they have a good actual stock or investment. That's the only way you can hold them for 20 years. If you just bought something for the moment, that's why a lot of people only be making those little quick profits for 6 months to a year. No, you can actually find long-term investments that's going to actually make you some money forever. But appreciate y'all. Go and subscribe, like it. I see y'all tuning in. I'm bringing more videos like this, but I'm going to give you the stocks that y'all don't really be hearing about, like the energy transfers. But appreciate y'all.